Man, it's been a long time. What's going on, guys? It's your boy James here, Beards and Cars, back with another video. If you guys are new to my channel, thank you for subscribing. If you guys are just stopping by, consider hitting that big red subscribe button down below. Now, guys, in this video, we're going to be doing a beard product review for the Bearded Coast. All right? Now, this is Salty Vibes. So, this scent profile is considered to be a salty strawberry lime margarita with light notes of passion fruit and mango. All right, with that being said, guys, when you first pop this open, it's pretty much exactly what you're gonna get. As I've wore this over and over now, I'm gonna tell you what I get, and it's kind of funny. So between me and the wife, this is what we gathered up the scent profile smells like. And some of you guys may know, some of you guys may have never tried it. But this here, to me, smells just like Fruity Pebbles cereal. So if you guys have tried it, if you guys have tried this beard oil here, and let me know what you think about that, because that's what I gather up out of this. So this profile here is actually something that I wouldn't just pick out. So this was suggested to me by a few people. And that's why I like making these videos, because being that this isn't something I'd pick out, it's something that I learned to love here, all right? So the more I use this, the more it just grew on me. I really like wearing this scent profile at night. It's very good for during the day also. I like wearing it at night because it's just so subtle and just smells so good. The beard oil itself is probably, I would consider, a light to medium consistency. It gives you just a little bit of sheen. It's not real heavy. It's not real light. It's right in between. And it smells amazing, guys. Like I said, this isn't a scent profile that I would just pick. So I'm glad that I can make this video for you guys. For those of you that don't just like fruity smells, or you may hear this and not sure if you want it, this is an awesome smell, guys. I would highly suggest you try this. Don't just go by the scent profile that you see, because it's not always what somebody else smells. You know, I kind of, in my mind, I kind of thought that it smelled like Fruity Pebbles, but I actually said Fruit Loops, and I asked my old lady, I said, what do you think this smells like? And she goes, that smells like Fruity Pebbles. We kind of got the same outtake here on the smell of this. So with that being said, guys, don't always judge a book by its cover. This is an amazing beard oil here. It smells absolutely wonderful. I've used probably, I'm gonna say half of this bottle in less than probably 4 or 5 days. That just kind of goes to show you how much I like this oil here, what it smells like, the actual feel in beard. A lot of, you know, when you got as much as beard products as I have, you don't always get to use one beard oil that much and that fast. So kind of just goes to show you how much I actually like this beard oil and this scent profile. And with that being said, guys, see you in the next one.